history, Prophet Zechariah. His story is not merely a tale of prophecy, but a testament to the unwavering power of God's love and compassion amid trials of his life. Zechariah lived during a time of great turmoil, with his beloved homeland lay in ruins, and the hearts of his people were heavy with despair. Yet, even in the shadows of suffering, he finds light through faith, hope, and a profound connection to the divine. So sit back and relax and allow yourself to be transported into a time when faith stood as a beacon amidst uncertainty. Let the light of Zechariah inspire us to embrace our own journey with love, compassion, and an unwavering spirit. Let the journey begin.
Oh God, how can you allow this to happen? Our city, our temple, our people, all destroyed.
Me? But I'm just a simple priest. I do not know if I am worthy.
You are chosen, Zechariah, and God will give you the message of hope and restoration for His people.
I will do it. I will speak for God. Israel. Listen, if you listen to Him. The Lord is with us. Even in our darkest hour, He will restore our city, our temple, and our people.
But how can this be? We have sinned against God. We only deserve punishment and destruction.
That may be true, but God is a God of mercy and forgiveness. If we listen to Him, He will restore and bless us.
You are a prophet of God. We cannot ignore your word. We must consider it very carefully.
It is not I who have done this, but God is a God of mercy and forgiveness. He will restore if we listen to us. Joshua, I have seen another vision, a golden lampstand with 7 lamps and 7 pipes on all its lamps. Above it are 2 olive trees, one on each side of it.
What does this mean, Zechariah?
The 2 olive trees are Zerubbabel and Joshua. They are filling golden oil on all its vessels.
This must mean we will rebuild the temple.
Yes, it will be greater than before. It will be filled with glory.
The step forward in the city is once again thriving and the people is being born.
See Israel, the Lord has done it. He has restored our city, our temple, and our people. He has given us a new beginning.
Zechariah, your word has been fulfilled. We have returned to God, and He has blessed us.
It is not I who have done this. It is a God who has worked through me. If you will listen to Him, He will bless you and prosper you. The exile is over, my people. The future is ours to shape. With the grace of God guiding us in our every step, He will restore our city and our people. Therefore, let us go forth from this place and let us build a new age, not only here in Jerusalem, but in our respective communities for the very fabric of our lives.